I moved to Montreal to start grad school. But nothing about it felt like a fresh start at first. It was freezing. I was confused. And honestly, I didn't feel ready. My first week felt like a blurry dream. Everything was different, even grocery shopping. And I couldn't feel my face after 5 minutes outside. Sometimes I kept asking myself, what am I doing here? Then I walked through McGill's campus, and it felt like time slowed down. At McGill, the buildings are old, solid, and a little dramatic. You can feel the weight of history here, but also the buzz of ambition. It's the kind of place that makes you want to live up to something. Yes, Montreal is cold even in April, but somehow charming. You'll hate it and love it in the same day. So I started exploring the city, finding hidden gems with exotic vibes. Got lost in the metro, wandering through neighborhoods I couldn't yet name. And slowly, the city started feeling like a story I was part of. Grad school hit fast, like here's your first 30-page reading. But somehow, walking through the calm, quiet halls of our faculty made it easier to breathe. The soft light through the tall windows, the echo of footsteps on the stone floors. There was something grounding about being surrounded by that quiet sense of purpose. Some weeks I felt on top of it, color coding everything. Other weeks, I was just surviving. But I realized everyone was figuring it out, even the ones who looked confident. One thing that helped me a lot was getting involved. I joined an organizing team for a faculty event. No clue what I was doing, but it gave structure to my days and helped me meet people who actually understood this weird academic life. Soon I found my rhythm again. My first real friend here came from an awkward group project, and we bonded over burnout and late-night talks. I believe there's something magical about finding your people in the middle of the mess. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy. There were long, lonely days, or times I had to push myself so hard just to feel I was moving forward. But there were also quiet mornings where I realized, hey, I'm actually doing this. And I reminded myself that I'm living one of my dreams, becoming a McGill student and living in Montreal, one of the most vibrant cities in the world. Now I'm getting ready for the next semester. The future's still blurry, but I'm not afraid of it anymore. So how was my first semester at McGill? It was cold, and yeah, it was messy, but it cracked me open in the best way. So if you're starting this journey too, trust me, you'll find your way. Just take your time.